guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be bringing you a jewelry try-on haul. I'm gonna be sharing a brand that is fairly new to me. This brand's been around for a while, but it's a new brand to me, to my channel. It's the brand Linjer. If you guys have not heard of this brand, they focus on a lot of very dainty jewelry pieces. And so if that is a style that you like to wear, you are going to love this video. They have a lot of vermeil pieces, 14 karat solid gold pieces, lab diamonds, gemstones, you name it. However, we are gonna be focusing on the lab grown diamond pieces and the 14 karat gold pieces. They actually reached out and offered to send quite a few pieces for me to review here on my channel. They also offered a discount code. So to receive the special offer, I'm not gonna say exactly what the offer is because it will probably change throughout the year, whether you're stumbling across this video now or later in the year, a year from now. Just be sure to click the link down below in the description box and use my code. That will give you a special discount. We're gonna go ahead and jump on in. I left everything in the boxes because I want to give you a really good rundown of exactly how your Linjer order will arrive, and we can do the whole unboxing together and then try everything on. We have 2 boxes to go through. This is how the box arrives on your doorstep. It is sealed all the way around, and the reason that I left it in the brown box is because when you open it up, you get to see the full presentation of the packaging. On the inside of the box, it says meet your fine favorites, and it has the brand name Linjer, and then there is a pamphlet about the brand, about the materials that they use, things like that, and then a little card. On the inside though, we have the box, which is set in this beautiful deep blue cardboard. It is so pretty. They have recyclable packaging, which is great. The box slips right out. Underneath it, it says stay golden. When you remove this insert here, you will find a dust bag as well. This is what the dust bag looks like. It's this beautiful, almost like canvas with the drawstring. It says the brand name as well. This is what the box looks like. It's got this beautiful navy ribbon that's tied along the top. I just love the packaging. This is so pretty. I made sure to not open any of these. So this will be a true first impression of the brand. We'll open it up. It says Linjer here on the top. And when we open the box here, we have another jewelry box. It does come with a jewelry care card inside of the box. This is what the box looks like. It is so stunning and actually very weighted. I love that the piece of jewelry comes with this beautiful jewelry box. It's got the logo embossed here on the top. And when we open up the box, we've got this beautiful ring. This is the Giselle graduated diamond ring in 14 karat gold. You guys, this is jaw-dropping. I cannot get over the presentation, the box, the interior lining, everything is just so elegant. I just want to quickly say that this unboxing process from start to finish is top tier, like 10 out of 10. If somebody gifted me a ring packaged with the bow and all of that, like this is such an experience getting to open up this box, see this beautiful diamond ring. This would be the most stunning gift to receive. I really just want to like highlight that this is so nice. As you guys can see, it has these beautiful lab diamonds that go across the top of the ring. The middle one is the largest, and then they kind of taper down the sides. Such a beautiful detail. It also has a really thin gold band down the back of the ring, but I think this would be so beautiful as a standalone ring. You don't need to stack it. It is dainty enough to where if you wanted to stack it with another piece, you could, but I think it is just so pretty on its own. Seeing this first ring has got me very excited to get into the rest of the jewelry here. Inside of this box, we've got the blue lining and some tissue paper. Look how many boxes we get to go through. First box off the top, this is a different style of box. Okay, we've got this gorgeous dust bag, pamphlets in here as well. I want to show you this packaging though, because this has honestly been my favorite part of experiencing this brand for the first time is seeing the attention to detail on all of the packaging. This is the dust bag, same beautiful deep blue. And inside of the dust bag here, we've got some earrings. These are the Marlowe pearl drop earrings in 14 karat gold. You guys, how stunning are these? They have this beautiful organic shaped circle to them. Just so pretty and so dainty. Everything is just really elegant. These are so gorgeous and so unique. I have not seen a pearl earring like this. I love a classic pearl, but I feel like this is a very modern take on a pearl earring, and I think it is so pretty. It is dainty enough where I could still wear something in my second or third piercing, but it's also just so pretty by itself. If you are looking for a really nice wedding earring, I think this would be so gorgeous. I kind of have a feeling that I am going to love every single piece that I open up. We've got another box here, same packaging as the first. Inside of this box, we've got some beautiful earrings. These are a huggy style earring. They're 14 karat gold with lab diamonds. They are just so pretty, you guys. I really just think these are timeless. They're so versatile. You could wear them in your main piercing as a second. These are the perfect diamond huggy earring. Perfect size, so lightweight, so out of the way. Really sparkly, dainty. Next jewelry box. Inside of our box, we've got some more pearl earrings. These are the Baroque pearl huggies. So gorgeous. They have this organic bend to the hoop and then the pearl drop. So again, these are 14 karat gold with the pearl. So beautiful, so dainty. They would look so good by themselves. I love the twist shape to them. I think it makes them super unique. Really stunning. Next up, we've got another box. And inside of here, we have another ring. This is the Nova ring. It has marquee and round diamonds in it. It also has the 14 karat gold band, which is super dainty. This is such a stunning ring, and it's dainty enough to where you could easily stack it with some other ones. This is it next to the first ring that I showed you guys. It is a little bit thinner, but still just a sparkly, so pretty, very similar thin band as well. All of these are truly so stunning. If you asked me to pick a favorite, I don't think I could. I'm loving every single piece so far. Inside of the box, we have another diamond ring. This is the Ilsa diamond ring. I believe I'm saying that correctly. This also comes in a blue topaz option, but it is so unique. I love the different shaped diamonds on it. This is, again, lab diamond, 14 karat gold. Really stunning, and just something that you wouldn't see everywhere. A really unique piece of jewelry. I probably wouldn't wear all three of these together, but I just want you to see the different variations of shapes and sizes of diamonds and just see the different settings, because they're all so pretty in their own way. On to our next box. Inside of our box, it looks like we've got some earrings. These are the Helmi diamond drop earrings, and they are just so stunning, you guys. I can't get over how beautiful every single piece has been. I love the way that the diamonds taper, so they start large and get smaller as the drop goes, but they are just so gorgeous. Obviously, you can wear these in your main piercing, but I just wanted to see what they look like in a second or third. I think they honestly work in any piercing because they're so dainty. You can wear them higher up on your earlobe. I will, however, show you guys what they look like in my main piercing, but I think that is a really fun way to wear them and just makes any earring stack feel really unique. This is what they look like in my main piercing, and they're just so beautiful, you guys. I am actually in love with these. I'm really sad that we are on our last box. That went by way too fast. And in our last box, we've got some more earrings, and these are some studs. These are the Selma diamond leaf earrings, and again, just so pretty, so sparkly. lab grown diamond, 14 karat gold. So you don't have to take these out, don't have to worry about them, and just leave them in all the time. I am obsessed. You guys, how pretty are these? Oh my gosh, you guys. I love these. I'm obsessed. I am actually obsessed. I just think these are so gorgeous, especially on a second or third piercing. They just add such a uniqueness to a stack. Those are all the pieces for this video. If you're a jewelry lover like I am, you have to check out this brand. Be sure to use my link if you want to save some money. I'll have my code and my link down below in the description box, and let me know down below if you end up ordering anything, what your favorite piece was. Be sure to stick around and subscribe if you are a jewelry lover, and I'll see you guys in my next one really soon. Bye guys.